So the FMCG Major HUL is set to post its Q1FY23 numbers. Obviously, the first FMCG coming and posting its numbers this time. Revenue is expected to see a growth of around 12.3% this time and expected to come in at 13,347 crores. Profits expected to see a 6% growth on a year-on-year basis, while in terms of the EBITDA, we are expecting a 9.9% growth. Yes, on the EBITDA margins, gross margins, there is going to be some slight bit pressure because inflation had continued in the most part of Q1 FY23 as well. Post that we've seen some reduction coming in, cool off coming in the raw material prices. So obviously we are expecting a contraction of 50 basis points this time in terms of margins, EBITDA margin, and EBITDA margin is expected at 23.4%. Now obviously the company has even this time around taken price hikes coming in their personal care segment, soap segment. So mainly the growth in personal care and soaps could be a double-digit revenue growth this time around, mainly led by pricing. Now in terms of overall the other segment, home care segment, also we could see a bit of a benefit coming in because of the reopening momentum that we've seen coming in. Not much any impact coming in on the COVID-19 scenario. So yes, we could see some momentum picking up in the home care segment as well. Volume growth, important number. We are expecting a 2 to 3% volume growth this time. Let's not forget last time was a very high base of 9%. So keep an eye out on the volume growth number of around 2 to 3%. And in other factors and commentary, we'll be watching out for the commentary on raw material. What is the current scenario and what does the management have to say on raw material inflation, discretionary spending as well as out of home consumption, how has that shaped up, outlook on the nutrition business as well as how is the demand now in rural versus urban area is an important factor to watch out for from HUL.